everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make fish. Draw the body and the fin, and now draw the tongue and the eyes. Now draw the fin and draw this and draw another fin and another like this and add these lines. Draw the lines, draw the sea sand, draw the bubbles, make sure you subscribe and like, and the sea sand, and the starfish. Now let's color. Color the sea blue. Color the sea sand brown. This is finished look. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.